G'day guys, Paul Belcher from Roberts Real Estate and welcome to my new listing at 18 Dixon Street in beautiful New Norfolk. We're in a great location, walking distance to Tynwald Park, also walking tracks, and the home is a 3-bedroom weatherboard, lovely large open plan living with upgrades and polished timber floors. Let's go in and take a look. This home really is in an ideal location, close to all services, schools, shopping precinct and walking tracks to the River Derwent. We've got a fully secure, just under 850 square metre block with a garage, and the home would be ideal for those trying to step into the market or to build a portfolio. For more information or to book an inspection, please don't hesitate to call me. I'm available 7 days a week and I'm here to help.